Rosie, and today I am going to show you how to make a Modroc puppet. You can download our step-by-step guide and visual guides on our website. For this craft you will need some Modroc cut into strips, half a cup of water, some paint to decorate your puppet, and some string and glue for hair. So let's get making! So for step 1, you're going to get your first strip of Modroc and you're going to dip it in the water. Take the strip out, shake off the excess water, and then get your other hand and you're going to pop it onto your index finger. So that is the finger closest to your thumb. Now you can see here it's got lots of little tiny holes in. So you're going to get rid of all the holes by slowly rubbing all the way down your piece of Modroc until all the holes have disappeared. Now you're going to repeat this process, dipping your strip of Modroc into the water, and again wait for 3 seconds, take your strip out and pop it on your finger. Now we're going to do about 2 or 3 layers for this one. Now for this you can make anything. I'm going to make a person, you can make an animal, any character that you like. Now that your Modroc finger puppet shape is complete, you're going to leave it to dry. Then once it is completely dry, it's time to decorate. Now for my last thing, I'm going to add my hair. And there we go, there is our Modroc puppet all finished. Okay, so well done everyone, that was amazing. Now our Modroc finger puppets are all finished. And you can see, look at mine, wow, it's all dry now. You can see the face, the hair, it looks amazing. And we've got some lovely examples. We've got Goldilocks from Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. And we've got all different people. So you can make people, you can make superheroes, monsters, animals, anything you like. So let's get making. Thank you, goodbye.